Hello everyone, welcome to Ignition.
Today's an exciting one. We are looking at the Jaguar done by Lister, the F-Pace.
Right.
So,
it's an exciting one, this one.
well, I've known about Lister for years, but
Right.
it's Jaguars are cars that haven't really floated my boat
No.
until recently. But is that because I'm getting old?
It could be. They always have said that they're an old man's car, but I've never thought that.
I don't think so.
I've always thought they were very sexy myself.
This is a super sexy vehicle, and if you don't know, Lister are an old racing company.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't really heard much of them myself.
British company, been going for donkey's years,
Nice.
and a bit like Brabus, I suppose. They take a car and they tune it to their own benefits. But this thing's an absolute
Yeah, it looks like a
weapon.
monster, yeah. It's like a Jag on steroids.
Which it is.
Yeah, it is, I suppose.
And as far as I'm concerned, what we're going to do is we're going to natter about it now, and then we're going to let someone a little bit more famous than us. I've got a fly here, so if you're watching me trying to kill it, hopefully none of you are vegans, because
Dad, I'm not sure if a fly classifies as a vegan, but anyway, I'm not sure.
well, I'm not going to eat it. Anyway, we'll leave that in.
Yeah.
So this thing here is one serious bit of kit, and as far as we're concerned, Tiff knows everything.
Yeah, well, more than us.
Yeah. So let's Tiff talk about it.
Go on, Tiff.
The fastest SUV Britain has ever produced, based on the Jaguar F-Pace SVR, but with 22% more power.
This is the new Lister Stealth. With a 666 brake horsepower engine upgrade tuned by Lister with bespoke intercoolers and supercharger pulleys, it produces 720 pounds-feet of torque.
Formed in 1951, Lister is Britain's oldest racing car company. Breaking records along the way, Lister have won the British Empire Trophy 4 times and firmly sealed their place in British racing history. In 1957, when William Lyons asked Brian Lister to put an XK engine in his car, the connection between Lister and Jaguar was formed and has continued to this day. The Stealth is the latest creation from Lister's design and development team to proudly sit alongside their F-Type based LFT 666. Its styling is enhanced by a redesigned carbon fibre front bumper, handmade in the UK, which aids cooling and aerodynamics, while side skirts, wheel arch extensions and a carbon diffuser add to the Stealth's distinctive looks. Stainless steel switchable exhaust system with carbon fibre tips, plus 23-inch wheels made by Vossen, which have been specifically designed by Lister and are fitted to lowered suspension that can be adjusted to a customer's preference. The luxurious interior features the highest grade Bridge of Weir Napa leather and is offered in 36 colour choices and 90 different stitching options. So, not only do you sit in supreme style, but you drive the fastest SUV Britain has ever produced. Now, I'm not normally known as an SUV sort of man, but I think I'm about to become converted. The Lister Stealth. History, technology, speed, luxury.
So what do you think of that then?
Well, it's a bit different. You'd certainly turn your head to see that going down the road, wouldn't you?
Does this also mean that Tiff's made an appearance on Ignition Media?
It does, yeah.
No, we better not, because we might have to pay him.
Oh, yeah, true.
And
yeah,
we
yeah.
can't afford
we can't
him 'cause he's
afford that.
great.
No, true. We can't afford the car either.
No, we can't afford the car. But actually, it's £110,000.
Yeah, starting.
Yeah.
Starting. It's a fair...
I don't think that's that bad because that is a...
Well, I think a normal SVR, one of those would be. I thought that would be about the same price as that.
Yeah, so I think that looks quite a good deal
Me
to me.
too. Yeah, no, me too.
I mean, I can't say that when I've seen those Jags, they've ever really floated my boat.
No.
But that looks like an absolute weapon.
Animal. Yeah, it's the road presence that gives off quite immense.
But really, that was it. I mean, we've had to do nothing. We've just sat here and watched Tiff like you have.
Yeah.
But for more info, had a look over at the Lister site, and as far as I'm concerned, I'd like to see a few on the road. So if you got the loot, go buy one.
Yeah, go buy one.
So not much from us.
Not really, no. We just thought we'd share it with you because it's an absolute beast.
Yeah, because we stumbled across that and we thought, I'm not sure everyone knows that exists, so we wanted to show it. But head over to Lister's site. It's www.lister.com, and go buy one. And if you do, put a picture of it on Facebook for us.
Yeah, and let us have a drive. So
that's it.
Until next time,
We'll see you then.